Hello, so you're welcome to in the next class how to set up your Fiverr gig, right? How to set up your Fiverr gig. All right, let's continue from yesterday from when we stopped actually do. So yeah, this is the account I'm working with. All right. So after you've created your account and everything, the next part is this part, right? Name and developer. You have to name, you name all of this. You name this. You can change display name. You can change this to. You can change this to. Give it any name. You can put gamer. Put it anything. So, but this is the gig I'm opening for, right? So that's why I name it name. So you can also change your. Although I'll change this later. You can change the name, right? And you upload the gig picture. You can put your name. You can put someone's name. You can also go to splash.com and get designs or use that AI to generate a gig picture. Or probably you can also put your picture to dependent, right? So the next thing you're going to do is to create a gig. Look at it, look at my cursor. To create a gig, we'll be creating a gig, right? That's the next thing. Please follow me. Please follow me. Now we're getting so although I explain all of this in the blueprint, which you'll be getting, but yet I still want to talk about it because after reading the blueprint, you might not really get the idea, right? So what I'm going to do next is to create a new gig. If you click on the new gig, you will come to this place for you, right? So this is what you're going to get. Create a new gig. This is what you're going to get, right? But first, I'm going to teach you how to create a gig because you don't start from scratch. So we're going to go to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com, right? We're going to go to fiverr.com. I should make sure that's what actually do. Okay, let's put on that tab. Let's search for. Remember, we are opening a gaming. What is that thing? We're opening a gaming web and game developer service. Because I told you in the last video that a gig is a service you are rendering. A gig is a service you're rendering. Maybe article writing, game development, website development, website design, social media management, and a lot of graphic design. So, so I want to open a web and game developer gig. That's a web and game developer service, right? But anyway, this is it. So we're going to go to fiverr.com and type web and game developer development. Let's see the search. So let's search for it. Network. Sorry, it's Nigeria, so it's network. Why is it going back? All right. Sorry for that. Let's talk point off. All right, we can continue now. So yeah, this I want to open, right? So the first, now note this. Look at my cursor. Look at the right hand side. Look at my cursor. You see relevance. You see relevance. You see relevance and new arrivals, right? Now let's continue. So we want to create a gig because to an extent, the people on the first page here are actually ranking. Like people on the first page, you see these people. I will teach you Unity and game development. I will teach you. I will develop game in Unity 3D, Unity for Android, iOS, PC. So we are going to look for our title. Look at our title. Look at the title here. Look at our so we're looking for how we can get our gig title. We want to name this in respect. We want to name this in respect to this. So look look at the most repeated gig title. I'll develop. Okay, this one is Fiverr chose. Let's not really go to it because Fiverr chose this one. This one is separate one, right? I'll develop NFT game, crypto game, web game development. I'll develop Unity 2D, 3D for Android, iOS. Okay, I'm seeing two Unity, I'm seeing three Unity. So to an extent, Unity is a keyword. So if you're creating a gig, choose Unity. Add Unity to your. I'm seeing Unity. I'm just saying Unity. So I can actually copy somebody. So I can say, okay, I will teach you this. This looks like what I would like. I'll develop game. I'll develop game in Unity 3D, Unity 2D. Okay, all right. This is looking like what I'm going to like. I'm going to, okay, okay. You need so now let's create our gig title. Let's create our gig title. So I'll develop game in Unity 3D, Unity 2D for Android, iOS, web, and PC. Let me use this. Let me use this title. All right. I'll develop game in Unity 3D. I will develop game in Unity 3D, 2D. I'm getting it right. I'll develop game in Unity 3D, Unity 2D for Android. Let me just open it. So I'll just copy and paste. So I'll develop game in Unity 3D and Unity 2D. Oh, let's work. Let's work. All right, nice. All right, wow. This guy is actually listening. See, yeah, that's 15 orders in queue. I see my school, so 15 orders in queue, meaning They have 15 person that order for his gig. You see, our company look at this big one. Let's paste. I will they give me or they give me I will be there. So this is our category. Let's say our category now. Let's see the category it chose is in programming and tech, programming and tech game development, full game creation. All right. So this is programming and tech. All right. I think they give us an option. Programming and tech. Yeah. So click on it. Click on programming and tech game development and game full game creation. Yeah. Right. So the kind of let me see what it shows. So we are basically copying what they are doing. Right. So this is it now. I'm going to share it very well. Just listen up. So 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 game type it shows 3D game engine unit. It shows all right 3D. I think going back now. 3D Unity. Hope you saw it. Look at it now. The game everything is their profile. Game engine Unity platform type PC. Which is PC. PC. All right. Genre. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Choose action, adventure, arcade, adventure, action, arcade, educational fighting. Okay. Okay, that was choose plugins. So we are basically see this kind of gig I'm opening is a service gig, but I'm trying to open some, I'm trying to choose something. So it chose ads monetization. It chose ads monetization. It chose analytics, animation, anti-cheats, AR, PR, AR chat location. So it chose okay. Let's just do what. So we chose AR, ad monetization, analytics, and the cheats. So we're basically just choosing what to choose. I think what else again to choose? Let me see. Animation, AR chat localization. Okay. Localization. I didn't choose that. All right. Choose animation. Right? So yes, or you can actually choose just six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sorry, seven. So now I look for the keywords, right? So these are the keywords. Only for the keywords. Now, how do you get your keyword? Because keywords will help your gig rank higher. Keywords will help your gig rank higher. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. I think it's here. All right. Now look at this. Look at if you click on relevance, you see a drop down. You see best selling. You see newest arrival. You see newest arrival. So number one, relevance are those who have been relevant. Like all these ones now and irrelevant. They are relevant, right? If I click on best selling, it show me gigs like this too that are best selling. If I click on newest arrival, it show me next people who just came in newly, like people who just opened their account or their gig newly. So now this is it. For me to rank high, I'll choose the first seven or the first five from relevance, choose the first five from best selling, choose the best five from or five or seven from relevance, choose the first five or seven from best selling, choose the first five or best selling, sorry, choose the first five or best seven from the newest arrival. So I'm going to choose 777 from three of them that are topping, because anyone that is topping, it shows their keywords or their title is on point. Because the truth is that if you're on top, right? When a client come to ask for your services, Fiverr, like, they'll usually see you and actually click on your gig, right? So we are trying to make our gig rank higher. That's the goal, is for your gig or your service. Like I think the gig is service because I'm using gig most of the time. So your aim is to make your gig rank higher. So that when a client comes on Fiverr, they tend to see your profile, they click on it and they chat and possibly buy. So let's click on the first seven on so now on relevance. So let's open tab for the for the first seven. So this is one for relevance, two, three, four, two desktop here, right? Five, seven. I'll do the same for I'll do the same. So now we're clicking on best selling. I'll choose so let's just keep going. So I've chosen seven from relevance. I'm going to choose seven from best selling. Seven from best selling, seven